Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? Welcome to the spoken English course. And this video is Home of Animals. This video is for the students, for the teachers, and for the mothers, and for those people who work at home with the students and preparing their lessons at home. So, this is all about the animals and their homes. So it's very interesting to learn about animals and their homes. So you will watch this video and will um, have fun with me. So let's start. Rabbit. Rabbit is a very nice animal and it's white in color and white black in color, and the home in which it lives in is called burrow. Bear. Bear is living in a den. You can see it is living in a den. Birds lives in a nest. There are some more birds living in a nest. Bat. Bat lives in a cave. You can see the cave and the bat. So this one is a new thing for me also, and this is a new thing for you also, I think so. So um, they lives in a cave. Owl. Owl lives in a tree hole. Owl, we have never seen owl in a tree hole. So you can see here, lion lives in a den. We have seen lion in the Lion King, but you can see here also. Dog lives in the kennel. Yes, kennels are here. Cow lives in the shed. Hens live in the coop. Ants lives in the ant hill. You can see the shape of the house is just like the hill, and the ants are living inside the ant hill. Spider. Spider house is called cobweb. Cobweb, and cobweb is, you can see the spider is living in it. Bear. Bear lives in the den. That was a white bear, and now this one is a black and the brown bear. Beaver lives in the lodge. Honeybees lives in a beehive and they produce honey. Horse lives in a stable. So many horses lives in a stable. Monkey lives on a tree and they eat bananas. Mouse lives in a hole. We have seen mouse in your house. Maybe it lives in your house also. Pig lives in a sty. Sheep lives in a pen. Snake lives in a hole. So this was an informative video for all those who need in their homework. So thanks for watching my video. Please like, share, and subscribe my channel. And if you have anything to say, please comment in my inbox. Thank you, and Allah Hafiz.